Are you a small business owner diving into the online world, but feeling daunted by all the tech, design, marketing, or support tasks you need to juggle? Here's how you can grow your small business faster with smart outsourcing solutions. Prime Outsourcing offers Prime Service Packs, comprehensive startup kits made especially for small businesses. Think of them like prepaid cards filled with digital services, web design, online marketing, support, things you need as you go rather than hiring full-time. Getting started with Prime Service Packs is simple. First, choose a package or request a custom one. For custom packs, the team evaluates your inquiry and sends a quote for approval. Once you place your order, you'll receive an invoice with easy payment options like PayPal, credit card, or bank wire. After confirmation, you can begin using your prepaid service pack. Just send job orders by email, and you'll get an estimate of hours for each task. Finally, an online form serves as your acknowledgement once services are completed. There are several key advantages of Prime Service Packs. Prime Service Packs are the perfect startup kits for businesses stepping into the online world. Whether you need web development, digital marketing, or office support, they're designed to make launching easier and stress-free. With flexible packages tailored to your needs and support available 5 days a week, you get the right services exactly when you need them. Start with Prime Service Packs today and visit PrimeOutsourcing.com. Like and subscribe for more outsourcing insights, and check the link in the description.